Okay, hello, and I'm going to talk about this circuit. And then we are some components of this interface with functionality with tanks, and also we have this part of control panel when we uh, observe that we have a com, and also we have the centimeters, inches indicators, and actually the liters of each tank. For example, the liters of this tank, we have on 11 liters, and this other tank we have 8 liters, and something like these points indicators. The functionality of this interface is easy to observe. And then we are the functionality with the sensor ultrasonic, and also then we are a servo motor and with in the breadboard. Okay, the first task, functionality arrangement this object. Okay, we can observe that in the first and the last one, tank, we have to reduce or close this cave to fulfill this tank. Okay, and when we reach this tank, the tank is fulfilled in this case. That means that the cave is open and its functionality, and also the engine is functionality at the same time. Then we can observe if we reach more the object, the tank 2 is continues to fulfill. Then we are to reach the object to reduce this part, and then we are the tank 1 is fulfilling completely. And also we have observed that then we are all 20 liters is continuous fulfilled. At the same time, the engine is functionality. Then we are to reduce this some task is functionality when we reach and close the object. Okay, about the block diagram, we have some programs to functionality correctly this part. Okay, by the first part of this, we have the while loop, and also the open and close the serial links. And then we are this block new, that is the links or read the pin out of the servo motor, and also is this open this part of the motor. Okay, by the same time, at the final, we close this part of the motor. We can observe like right and left of the servo motor, and also we have the links to write in the ultrasonic sensor and the pin of 6 and 7. That is our trick and echo. Okay, then we have to observe that we have some procedures, mathematicals, that convert these centimeters on liters, and also these conversion indicators and the functionality of the motor indicator that is on. In this case, is the boolean of the LED in the engine. Then we are some inches that is converting in centimeters at the same time. This have this subtractor that is a management to convert on the centimeters. Okay, and the last one part, we have a condition when we control the direction of the servo motor, and also we have a set of pulses by the servo motor. Then we are our block that control the same into the while loop. In the last one part, we have this Boolean arrangement that control our sliders. Then we are a condition that start from the 0 at the 20. Then we are an AND that indicate the slider start with 1. In this case, the case structure is in 1 because it's true, and the last one is false because it's 0 of each slider. And it's all for this part, and to close for the whole program is this part of the stop.